I'm going to tell you how we have to do the inert method. Okay, for doing the inert method, you have to place the fabric on the right side. So we have placed both front and back, both the pieces, okay, on one above the other on the right side. Like how we wear the pant, the same way we have placed, and we are doing the side stitching, okay. After stitching, we are cutting off the excess. That means very slight excess will be there. That only we have to cut it very carefully. That means we have to just trim out the excess fabric, okay. Then we are turning the fabric towards outside. After turning the fabric on the wrong side, again we will put one more stitch, okay. That we call it as an inert method. For the stitching, first do the side stitch. We are taking the main fabric, it is not the lining. For the main fabric, we are putting the stitching, only side stitch till the fork point. We are not stitching the fork point, only from the ankle to the starting of the, I mean to say to the ending of the fork point, we are putting the side stitch. Always do two stitches, okay. Now we are doing the bottom folding. Bottom folding for the pant at the ankle level, we are doing the folding. You always do the double fold. Whenever you are doing the folding, the fabric should be placed, right side of the fabric should be on the top and the wrong side it should be inner only, so that the folding will go towards the inner side properly. Do it for both the legs. This is for the second leg, we are doing the bottom folding. After that, you have to join the fork point for both the legs, okay. Both the legs together, you are joining the fork. From the front, go to the mid of the crotch and again towards the back side. In the image, it is shown. Please see carefully from where to where you have to do the stitching for the fork. So this is how it looks. See, can you see from the front fork to the back side fork? We are doing the stitching like that. Then again the master is putting one more stitch. Whenever you are doing the fork stitching for this kind of the fabric, you have to do in out method. Now go for the lining. So lining material also the same procedure is followed. First do the side stitching from ankle to the fork point. For both the legs you have to do the same way. Only stitching is towards the inside of the leg. Do the bottom folding. Bottom folding, it is always a double fold. For both the legs you have to do. After that, let the right side of the fabric be on the top and the wrong side towards the inside only. Okay. This is the bottom fold for another leg. Okay. So now we have to attach the fork. For attaching the fork of both the legs, can you see the right fabric should be on the top and the wrong towards the inside. So you have to hold it like this and do the attachment. From front, go to the mid of the fork towards the back. Or from the back also you can come. Only thing is you have to completely attach one leg and another leg with the fork. Then cut off the extra. Now what you have to do is make the turn the fabric, sorry, not make the fabric, turn the fabric ulta. That means wrong side should be now outside and the right side of the fabric should be towards your inside. Now again you are putting one more stitch from the front fork and again towards the back. So the same thing only we did for the main top fabric also. So this is how the finishing will look. At only end of the fork, we are attaching the lining as well as the main fabric. We are not attaching completely from front, fork, and back. We are not attaching it completely. Only at the mid of the fork, we are attaching the main and the lining. That's all. And we have to correctly place one leg of the lining inside the same leg of the main fabric. Like that, you have to place it neatly. This is a bit confusing and takes time because it should not go reverse. We should place exactly one leg inside another, right leg inside. Right leg lining should go towards the right leg main fabric only. So left leg lining should go exactly left main fabric itself. Okay, so like this we have to place it. So only at that point which is shown, only at that point we have attached the lining as well as the main. Okay, so now we have come to the waist. So towards the waist we are attaching lining as well as the main fabric. You have to be very careful at this point of time because the front attachment should meet exactly the front attachment of the main fabric. So after attaching the waist, now you have to fold. Do the fold. Can you see? Only just one fold, not the double fold. Only one fold you do and put one more stitch. So next you have to take the Elastic, as I told you, if 30 is the waist size, then take 20 inches of elastic. Okay, this is the simple 10 inches you have to reduce. If 32 is the waist size, then go for 22 inches of elastic. It's like that. Okay, attach edges of the elastic in the zigzag pattern like this so that it will hold neatly. So after attaching both the edges of the elastic in the zigzag pattern, now you have to place it on the waist of the pant. This is the back. Okay, on the back of the elastic you place exactly the center of the elastic and fold it and put the stitch. Let the stitch not be on the elastic. Okay, it should be next to the elastic. You have to fold like this neatly and put the stitch next to the elastic, and it should be like kinari stitch for the fabric. It should go completely one round. Now you have to spread the fabric. So pull the fabric so that it will spread across the elastic. So now completely spread. When you are almost done with the elastic, spread the fabric. The elastic which I have taken is 1/4. Okay, you can go like 1 inch, it's very small, don't go for 1 inch. Go for 1/4 or 1.5 inch elastic. So once you are done with the complete one round, spread the fabric. Then again at the center, back side as well as the front side, you put the stitch like this so that the elastic will not move, it will stay firmly. After putting stitching on one side, again spread it out neatly and again go for the front middle. Can you see exactly middle of the front? We are putting the stitch to hold the elastic firmly. For front as well as the back you have to do. Then again you pull the elastic and put one more stitch. This one it will come on the elastic only. You have to pull the fabric like that and put the stitch, leave. Pull the fabric, put the stitch, then again leave. So like this, complete one round you have to come, then again one more. So in between you have to put 2 stitches on the elastic so that it will hold firmly. So any doubts you are having, you will be having every week Q&A sessions. You can join and you can clarify your doubts. You will get the joining session link in the WhatsApp group.